Have you heard of Franchise Group Incorporated? How about Liberty Tax? Franchise Group Incorporated is slowly becoming a behemoth in the franchising industry, and it definitely should be a business that's on your radar, whether you're investing your first time in a franchise as a franchisee, or you're an institutional investor buying whole franchise systems. So we're going to go through Franchise Group Incorporated, how it started, what kind of brands it currently owns and operates. So Franchise Group Incorporated is a franchising platform for market leading as well as emerging concepts. You might recognize some of the brands like Vitamin Shoppe, Pet Supplies Plus, Badcock Home Furniture More, American Freight, Buddy's Home Furnishings, as well as Sylvan Learning. Franchise Group is continually looking to grow their portfolio of brands, principally through acquisition, but as well as organic brand development. The Franchise Group originally operated as Liberty Tax, which they no longer own. And it's probably a good thing they sold off that asset, because Liberty Tax has closed so many locations over the past few years. They closed the sale of Liberty Tax and changed the name to Franchise Group Incorporated in September 2019, and they've been on an acquisition spree ever since. So as I mentioned, the Liberty Tax unit count has plummeted even after they sold off that franchise, and I could create another video just on that brand. They got a pretty nice cash from that sale, a cash injection of $127 million from selling Liberty Tax and NextPoint. And then as of the end of last year, 2021, Franchise Group is operating about 3,000 locations, consisting of 1,200 franchise locations, 1,400 company-run locations, and 317 dealer locations across those different brands. So just give you an idea, there's some that are very much corporate locations, like Vitamin Shoppe with 711 corporate locations, no franchise. Then you have Pet Supply Plus, so that has a good, healthy mix of company-owned stores at 228, as well as about 375 franchise locations. And then you have Sylvan that only has 6 corporate locations, and they have another 566 education centers that are owned and operated by franchisees. The Franchise Group priced its IPO at $10.40, and it's currently trading above $40 as of April 19, 2022. It has a market capitalization of $1.6 billion. However, it's really volatile with a beta of 1.76 in terms of shareholders. The Franchise Group has a pretty healthy dividend at 6.5%. Over the past year, the net income really increased a lot, and they need to keep the acquisitions up. It seems like there's a lot in their pipeline of potential acquisitions. So Franchise Group Incorporated is a very profitable company that operates both company-owned locations, franchises, and dealerships. As a relatively new company that's growing rapidly, the Franchise Group has promising financials and brands as a portfolio. But let's see if they can continue to bring on top operators, because it seems like their executives have great financial acumen, and it will be interesting to watch how the operation folks that they bring in from the acquisitions or they hire externally are able to really grow the organic reach of some of the brands that I mentioned. If you have any other questions on Franchise Group Incorporated, leave it in the comment box or shoot me an email at patrick@vettedbiz.com. Thanks.